Students. In today's video of Python, let us learn about nested dictionaries. What is the meaning of nested dictionary? Basically, it's a dictionary within dictionary. Let us declare the content. With curly braces, we have to start. Suppose one name is there and the detail is there inside the subpart of perm. Suppose I write here class, let us say BCA, then roll number, with colon. Suppose I write 101, then the second one, suppose I write Puja. Just copy and paste the content. You have to place colon here. These are the contents. This one is the key value, and this one is the key of the first item, and this one is the value of the first item. And inside first item, it's again a dictionary, and these values are BCA and 101, and key is class and roll number. Similar is the case here. Let us display the content. You can display the values. These are the values. Param, class BCA, roll number 101, Puja, class BCA, roll number 101. You can change here the second value. Let us say class is MBA and roll number is 707. This one is the roll number. Let us execute the program. You can check the output. First one is perm, and the sub dictionary is class BCA, roll number 101, Puja, then class MBA, roll number 707. These are the values. Suppose I have to retrieve the values from the dictionary. Print suppose I write details of Puja. Suppose I have to display this value, then I can write A inside square bracket Puja. Then I can display all the contents of Puja. Print double quote so that you can print the data in next line. You can display the values. Details of Puja, class MBA and roll number 707. Suppose I write here print class of firm. Then I can write A. Then first of all, param, basically it's a key value. Then I have to write class. Execute the program. Class of firm is BC. Suppose I have to display the roll number only. Roll number of Pooja. Then I can write A. Then first key value, that is Pooja, and second key value required is roll number. Let us execute the program. It's the roll number of Pooja, so 707. Hope you understand the content of using dictionary within dictionary. First of all, designing of dictionary, then how to display the dictionary, and then detail of particular student, then how to find the class of the student or to find roll number of the student. Similarly, you can design the other items. It's a basic introduction about dictionary within dictionary, that is nested dictionary.